Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to off do not disturb on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to sound and vibration. Suppose you are in this feature, from here you have to scroll down to sound and vibration. Just click on it. After you have been click on it, you have to scroll again down to do not disturb. So if you want to off do not disturb on your mobile phone, just click on this icon and the do not disturb will be set off. Okay, and if you want to on do not disturb again, just click on this icon again and the do not disturb will be set on. And if you on the do not disturb, it will be enable the calls, disable the calls and the messages, everything. The net will be disabled. Okay, not the net but the call. Okay, so if you want to off, just click on this icon and the do not disturb will be set off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.